For all my travel buddies that love a travel size product, I have a quick unboxing for you guys. I am in love with the Sol de Janeiro travel size products. Like you have their body wash, a moisturizer, and their body mist. And also recently, I was at the TK Maxx and I saw this Treehouse Vanilla Scrub travel size one. I am obsessed. I took this one when I was going away for a couple of days because I'm almost out of it. But the one thing I'm excited, I do have the bigger container, so I just refilled it back when it was finished. I love it. And this is so compatible to travel. That's the reason why I love travel size products. So I've been looking for like a really nice face wash and something that I can easily travel around with. And then I saw that the Douglas is having some sales with the Estee Lauder Night Repair skincare line. So I decided to pick this up. This is it from the Douglas. So let's do a quick unboxing. I am so excited. And I also saw that you get like mini gifts, which I'm like, yes, I love gifts. I love gifts. I've used this Estee Lauder Night Repair product in the past. I've used it in the past. They're quite expensive, and also because I like to try other things. So that's the reason why I never really stick to it. I'm always on and off with it, but I love it. They're amazing. And this is also really nice gift. If you want to give somebody a gift, it's a really nice gift. So this is what the box look like. It's really cute, really nice. Really nice gift if you want to give somebody. And I also got some samples that I choose. Can't wait to try this one. And I also got a mini gift bag with some products in it, which I'm really excited. Let's open this one first because this is what I'm excited about. Whoa, I got this one, this travel size moisturizer. I love it. It's so beautiful. You guys see? Open it. It's so nice. So beautiful. So you got this one. What else? Um, oh yeah, just a little bit of information on the products. And you also receive this mini night cream. It's so cute. I love mini things. Like, I'm obsessed with mini things. When it comes to like mini perfumes, I kind of collect them a lot. I love mini things. I'm so obsessed with it. So yeah, I love. When I saw this, I'm like, yes. So this is a gift. So I think when you buy something above 100 and something euros, it has to be above the 100 euros, and then you get a gift. So this is actually what I picked up. I've been looking for a smaller face wash, a moisturizer, just like something I can use at night that is one set from one brand that's easy to travel around with, which I really like. That's the reason why I love the Sol de Janeiro, because this one is very easy when it comes to travel. You just pick it up. If you're going for like few days, like 2 or 3 days, you just pick it up. I also pick up what's the name of this brand? I forgot. Oh my god. I forgot. I also have their body oil, and that one is also very travel friendly. I really loved it. So this is what I picked up from the Estee Lauder. It's really nice. You get like a 50 ml of their night serum, because this is huge. This is huge. This on its own is quite expensive. Okay, this on its own is really expensive, and then to get it in a box this huge, I'm excited. I'm really excited. So you have this one, and I think when you're going with the flight, you have to get something. I think 100 ml or below the 100, if I'm not mistaken. Anything above, you cannot put it in your hand luggage. You have to put it in the bigger luggage. But for someone like me, if I'm traveling to other countries and if I'm not going with the train, if I'm going with the flight, I always have like this mini hand luggage. It's very important to have like a travel size product. I remember when I was going with my son to Italy, I didn't take mini stuff. I thought, you know what, let me just try it. And I went to the airport. I had to throw away the Vaseline body oil. I had to throw away the Anwar face wash. I had to throw it away because I really didn't have time to go to the store and pick up the travel size one. So I just took the ones I have. I had to throw that one away. I also have the moisturizer. The I had a moisturizer that I had to throw away. I had to throw away my body oil from the Sol de Janeiro because I took the big container. I had to throw like 6 products away. I took the what's the name of this brand again? Their um um face mist, like the setting spray. I had to throw it away, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so mad. So I'm now looking for like travel size one. I also saw the travel size face mist setting spray by the Buycoff. I think by the Buycoff. I forgot the name of the brand. What's the name of this brand? I have it here. I saw the travel size one, and I just ordered it just now because I'm like, I need that one, so I don't go through the same process of last minute going to take the bigger size with me and then I have to throw it away. So I really love it. And I also saw they have that this their face wash. This is really nice. I decided to pick this one up as well and give it a try. It's really nice. You don't need a lot when it comes to face wash because I like to remove my makeup with oil. I also pick up some other product that I also picked up that I'm going to use to remove my makeup because I cannot take the Beauty by Joseon cleansing oil. I cannot take that with me because it's in a bigger container. So I picked up some jojoba oil that I'm going to be taking with me to actually help remove my makeup and some few of their products. This is amazing. I think this is their eye cream. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is their eye cream. So you also have this one in the bigger containers. Um, but this is amazing. I already have an eye cream from Beauty by Jones, but that one is also a bit bigger. I don't think I can travel with that one. Especially when you go with flights, it's kind of risky. So that's why I thought, you know what, let me pick up smaller versions of this product, and I'm really excited. I also got this one. This is so cute. I love this. So this is like a full size same thing. This is like a think this one. And this one also has SPF. This is the 24 hours. Oh, moisturizing. I don't have glasses on, so I can barely see. This one has SPF 15. This is the 15 ml. So this is quite nice as a gift. So now I have a set when it comes to my face. The only thing I'm waiting for now is the setting spray. I'm waiting for right now. When it comes, at least I have everything complete. Yeah, I don't want to take the risk of traveling and then go to the airport and then I have to throw everything away again. So now I'm like really trying to pick up travel size products, and this was a really nice gift for myself. This is also a really nice something to give you. If you're somebody who wants to try Estee Lauder product, this is a really nice combo. This is a really nice. This is like a full size bottle. This is expensive on its own, and it alone it was quite affordable. Yeah, I love it. I am obsessed with it. So now I'm just waiting for the setting spray to come, and then I have all my travel size products ready for traveling. Makeup, I have everything in a bag. I have all my travel size stuff because it's really hilarious. And sometimes when you're going away for like 3-4 days, you don't want to take a whole bag with you. I just like to take a hand luggage with me, and I want to have like everything in there. And mini sample of these ones are really amazing. The one thing I'm so obsessed about is the body scrub because that's one thing I always have issues with whenever I'm traveling. I'm there and I want to exfoliate my skin and I don't have a body scrub. So I'm really happy when I went to the TK Maxx and I saw this Treehouse Vanilla Body Scrub. I was really excited. I picked it up immediately, and when I came, I just put it up. I just put it in this bag. I'm like, yes, now I have a complete set. I have my body scrub, I have my body butter, I have my shower cream, I have my Sol de Janeiro body mist. So here I have a set. With the Sol de Janeiro perfume, I have it in this travel size thing. I put it like the perfume, I put it in this travel size ones, and these are so cute. I'm excited. So yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys. If you guys are interested, check out the Douglas or the Zalando. I also saw it on Zalando, but I first saw it at Douglas, so I picked it up from the Douglas. If you're interested, check out the Douglas. They have a really nice discount right now, and this is so amazing. I've tried this product before, especially this their Night Repair. I've tried it before in the past, and I really love it. So I'm really grateful to like see it now in a packet that I can actually travel with. And this is not only at night. You can also use it day and night if you want to. You don't have to only use it in the night. You can also use it in the day. It's very good for the skin. It's really amazing. I love it. And this is such an amazing set. And yeah, I'm excited. So I just want to come and do a quick unboxing and show you guys. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. If you live in the Netherlands, check out the Douglas or check out the Zalando. They have this really nice travel size products right now. They don't have it all the time. I think it's a season. So if you are interested, check it out before it's sold out. Yeah, I just want to come and share that with you guys. I'm really excited. I can't wait to just go and have fun. The weather is beautiful. It's holiday season. So yeah, let's experience the world. Let's just have the best time of our life. You know, life is beautiful, and make it as beautiful as you can. Thank you guys so much for listening, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.